Hello everybody, my name is Sasan and today I'm going to make a very quick video on how the vowel letters they keep their original sounds in some words but they lose their original sounds in the other words. So before we move on, listen to the accurate pronunciation of these letters. A, E, I, O, U and Y. Most people mispronounce these two letters, letter A and letter O. They pronounce the letter A as E. It's not E, it's A. It sounds like you call someone A. And they pronounce letter O as U. It's not U, it's O. It starts from ear and ends in your lips. And these letters have their original sounds in these words. Now listen carefully. A, plain. E, these. I, fine. O, logo. U, university. And Y, tire. So you may ask why these letters keep their original sounds in these words. Anytime there is a vowel, after that a single consonant, and after that another vowel, the vowel at the beginning or in between, it keeps its original sound. Now look at this word. When we say plain, there is a vowel, after that we have a single consonant, and after that we have another vowel. The vowel in between, it keeps its original sound and pronounced as A, plain. So it's the same with all the other words. But look at the word university. At the beginning we have a vowel, letter U, after that N, it's a consonant, a single consonant, and after that letter I, which is another vowel. So here, letter U, it keeps its original sound and pronounced as U, university. Of course, there are some exceptions in English language, and there are some other words they do not follow this structure. For example, the word lose. So we cannot pronounce this word as lose. We pronounce it lose. So here, letter O cannot keep its original sound. It loses its original sound. So this is not pronounced as lose, but it's pronounced lightly, lose. Now let's move on and see how these letters lose their original sounds. Well, the vowel letters do not have their original sounds in these words. Now listen to these words. Man, red, think, fox, put, and system. Did you hear any of these sounds in these words? I'm sure you didn't, because there is no original sound of vowel letters in these words. The reason is vowel plus consonant. Now look at this word. When we say man, there is vowel. After the vowel we have a consonant. So after the consonant we do not have any other vowel to raise the sound of the vowel in between. So the consonant letter blocks the sound of the vowel letter and the vowel letter loses its original sound. Now remember this, anytime there is vowel plus single consonant plus vowel, the vowel letter will keep its original sound. Anytime there is vowel plus consonant and there is no other vowel to raise the sound of the vowel letter in between or in the beginning, then the vowel letter will lose its original sound. Thank you very much for watching this video. So if you find this video helpful, share this video with your friends and give me a thumb up. If you have any questions, put your questions on the comments below and I will answer to them. For more videos, you can subscribe in my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page and watch these videos for free.